Happy Halloween, ladies and gentlemen. When it is Halloween, you never know what horror is lurking around the corner, so safety in numbers, right? And what better way to do that than giving this video a lot of likes, hitting the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. And welcome to this episode. Before we start this episode, I have a big, major, exciting announcement, but you're going to need to stick around till the end of the episode to find out what it is. In the spirit of Halloween, we thought that we would challenge ourselves by recreating 3 classic horror movie camera angles, but using the Insta360 ONE X and showing you how it's simpler, easier, and quicker doing it our way. But be prepared, horror is difficult, and we found out the hard way. So let's hit the field and see what happens.
Out of the blast.
We've chose a terrifying, mystical tree setting for our first shot, the tracking shot. Are these trees particularly terrifying? No, but we're going to use it to show the Insta360 ONE X's capability at tracking shots. The reveal and tracking shot is a super common combo used in horror movies. All you got to do is film from behind an object and then pop out to the side. And place your boogeyman wherever you want, in the middle of the environment, but it's easier if I show you. Okay, let's see you pull it off. So after you got the footage, you're going to change the screen ratio to 16:9 and you get something like this. Shot number 2, the dolly zoom. Vertical, Jaws, Ratatouille, you name it, this is an epic killer and we're going to show you how to do it with the Insta360 ONE X. So the dolly zoom, all you need is a large open space, and with this angle it makes a disorientating effect by moving the objects around your main character. The rest is all done in post. You digitally zoom in and then you zoom out. You digitally zoom in and then you zoom out. So let's check out the effect and see what we get. 2 guys are better than 1, and I want my own dolly zoom shot. So Alan here is gonna operate the camera and I'm gonna be the subject in the shot. So let's go.
And roll it.
Okay, be prepared to be scorned by heat. Shot number 3, super wide. So 360 cameras are perfect for doing super wide angles. These are commonly used in horror movies to accentuate the landscape, making the character feel really small in the big open space. So we're going to do that with just our selfie stick and our ONE X. No need for expensive stabilizers. Let's see how we get it. Happy Halloween! That's a wrap. The horror is over, but the excitement certainly isn't. I'll give you an update on the announcement I mentioned at the start of this episode. It is that we are having a Halloween giveaway. Yes, you have the chance to win a completely free ONE X camera. So how can you win? Today in this episode, you learned how to do the tracking shot, the dolly zoom, and the super wide. So leave a comment down below about what your favourite shot was, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for a chance to win this giveaway. If you already have one of our Insta360 ONE X and you want to upload it to Instagram, don't forget to hashtag Insta360TV and we will make sure to check it out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see your guys' spooky snaps. So happy Halloween, and we'll see you for the next episode. Did we get a good one?
Yeah, it's good. It's okay.
Okay, right. See ya.
Bye.